Next thing I'm going to do is put an inline fuse on the positive wire. I'm surprised this doesn't come with one already installed on it. And the reason I'm doing this is anything that stops that propeller from spinning, such as weeds or rocks or fishing line, it can cause an overload. If that motor's still on and the propeller's not spinning, you can burn out your motor. Anyway, with this fuse, you have some kind of protection. I picked this up on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box. As far as installation goes, it's pretty straightforward. You cut the wire, strip it. The Allen wrench, it comes with the fuse. You just put the strip part into the inline fuse and tighten it down with your Allen wrench. And once you've got that nice and tight, you can put these waterproof caps on. And then we're going to do the same to the other side. And then don't forget to put the cap and the gasket on the wire before you tighten it up. Alright, so once you got that on there, that's what it's going to look like. That's the on position, that's the off position. Alright, so now I'm going to hook it up to the motor, which has 5 forward speeds and 3 reverse speeds. I'm going to put it on a battery and test it out. And before you hook up a battery, make sure this is in the off position. I had a close call. I didn't realize it was in the on position, and that prop almost got my leg as I was putting it on my pontoon boat. Anyway, I always hook up the negative first, then I'll do the positive. And once we got it on there, it's time to do a little test. We'll put that in the on position. I'm just going to turn it to 1. And there we go. Well, it's time to pack it up, get out to the lake. See you in the next video.